unboxing my Blackpink lightstick. It's been a while. I haven't opened it, like unboxed it, and I am like really craving it to have it in my hand. So yeah, as you can see, I already opened it. I actually opened it the day I got it, so I was so curious. Okay. Anyway, it comes in. This is my first time getting the Weavers box, like the one that has this. So I'm gonna keep it. Let's not talk a lot and get into unboxing. So here we have this. What is it? Oh my god, I'm excited this early. Let me see what we got. We got this two power photos. We got Rose and Jisoo. This one is pink and this one is black. Anyway, this is how they look. They're so pretty. Wow. And here is how the box look. And this is how the lightstick look actually. This is an official lightstick version 2 Blackpink version 2 lightstick. I didn't get the version 1. I got version 2. Okay, wait. This is how the lightstick looks. So pretty, but it's also so dirty and there's also this that has Blackpink on both sides. And you do this. And I have my Blackpink lipstick. Even have this. What is it for? Like to charge it? I guess. Okay, so yeah. Is it clean? No. Oh, this was the word Blackpink here. Black. Okay. It's pretty though. Okay. Let's not lie, it's pretty. It's pretty. It's Blackpink, of course it has to be pretty. Oh. This is the on and off button. But I didn't turn it on. This is the power button. different. Yeah. The point of it, guys, there is so much to do to just turn this simple lightstick on. Oh my god, there is so much to do, and mine is not working. I don't know how. Whenever I actually have an app where whenever I connect it and I try to get out at the place where I already connected to play the music, but the music is not connecting to this. So we're probably gonna do it later or another day because I'm already tired trying to turn it on. Like, there is so much to do. Okay, so my other phone is back on. Like, it's this one. If you remember, this used to be my old phone. I still have it. Anyway, this is the app. But let's try if it's gonna work on this. So I already got it connected, so I got to this point. Once I get to this point, you can literally change the light. So yeah. Okay, so if on my app, this one that I'm recording with, once I go back, to go back to pull music, it literally says lightstick has been disconnected. So what the heck do I do? Okay guys, I think it suddenly started responding to music, and as you can see, yeah, just stopped. So I think suddenly start responding to music. I don't know what happened, but look at this. Just a minute. Hold up, let me turn off the. Okay guys, that will be it for today. I got a little sick in the middle of the day today, so when I went to the store, I was really sick. Anyway, I'm feeling fine now, and this will be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you watched this far, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. And here, it's me opening this lightstick. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. The design is cool, but the process of getting it to work is really hard. So I'm gonna give it a 6, right? Anyway, yeah, a 6 because of the just getting it to work. Anyway, bye. Thank you for watching.